Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul, and on this Kia Soul we're going to go over how you would replace your exterior side mirror, the whole unit. If you're replacing just the glass, you can probably pop it out and pop it in, but if your electrics have gone bad inside it, or this has been broken because it's hit something, it's a fairly simple thing to do. So what we need to do is we need to pop this cover off using a good, you can use a good pry tool just to kind of get in there and not scratch anything. And then we're able to pop that cover off. Then we have this electric that we want to undo. And once we've done that, then we have these 3 bolts to undo, which are a size 10. So those 3 bolts undone, be able to just kind of push these 2 tabs together. There we go. Now we have removed the whole exterior unit. So this is the whole unit removed, and now if you're taking a new one to put on, we just put it on in the reverse order. You know, a lot of reasons why we replace this. This is broken, the cover's broken, and you can't fix it, or the electric motors inside have gone bad, and so you'd be replacing this. So then you would just take your new one and be able to place it back in there, line it up, hold it in there, and be able to start your screws or bolts. And then make sure you reconnect the electric there, and then you'll just want to take your cover and just line that up and snap that into place. And so that's how you would replace the exterior mirror on your 2018 Kia Soul. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.